not gonna take it.
When they gave him the FFL back,
Smith
that
and
happened
Wesson.
with that guy that just walked in there.
That's the first thing you shot, right?
Huh?
That's the first thing you
When
shot,
they went
right?
back to investigate, they found more paperwork with discrepancies.
That's the best one.
Eventually, it was just like they got shut down.
Smitty.
Which one was that? Riverview. Oh.
Do a slow-mo one. I did a cinematic and a regular one.
It's getting 22 Magnum ammunition.
That's the Gen 5. Your the Gen 4 don't do that no more, right?
Yeah. Left bottom. Right shoulder. Head shot. Chest shot. Head shot. Neck shot. Left shoulder. Trying to eat dinner with that cat? Head shot. Almost head shot. Almost head shot.
I bought this one used off a buddy of mine at my other job. He was like, oh, my wife wants me to get rid of it. I'm like, I'll take it off your hand. It is. I got plans for it, actually.
I do want to get it just to see how it feels.
So all I did was I sent it out, got the front serrations done, got the pocket cut done. So I did for this one, threw on a grip, and the mag load, that was it. Hell a lot of rounds. It already has like 3,000 in it.
My EDC is 30.
Okay. That was my boy's first gun. My Black KDS. There you go. Really? You hate it. It just hasn't been out long enough. That's the thing. And no agency here has I just picked up I took out a layaway my Sig micro tech out. Yeah.
This would just be the pick.
Yeah, that's basically what I come here for. For ammo and to keep buying shit.
Right.
Yeah, my wife always be like, yo, you never see that check. I'm like, nope. As soon as I get it, it's gone.
Ain't nothing. As long as you got a check coming from
What is that?
26.
Oh, the 26. MOS.
Yeah.
All right, but I've seen him before, I just don't know his name. But he came up and he said, he said that
I think I just shot hollows.
they only reported that once for the snowstorm a couple of weeks ago. That they were going to close the store, and they were open. They were open Wednesday, they were open Thursday, they were not, this recording, but that's what I got. It doesn't say if you want to talk to the rave people, then, as far as scheduling or reserving, they didn't have that in the recording anymore. It was just Scott. Sorry, we're closed. We'll be open the next hours. Have a good night.
Be jumping.
I next door, that's why. How did it even come over here though? Oh, it came through that little cut.
The one that's coming through.
Yeah, it came up from up there.
Rate will be closed on Wednesday.
There's a little opening right there.
Completed. From now on, the rate is closed on Wednesday.
All day.
Yeah,
Chest.
that's the one I got.
You gonna shoot some 10?
It just says,
That's what
Why?
I did.
It's really expensive, ain't it?
$25 a box. It's like shooting 4 or 5.
Yeah. So I pressed through and it says, on Wednesdays, the rate will be closed.
That's hollow?
All day.
Yeah, that's all they got.
It's not all
But I don't mind because
Yeah, it's only from new. Yeah, it's only from. But the message I got that I
Yeah,
saw
50
right?
50 of them
I
shits, you
heard
might as
that.
well.
It used to be like that. It was all day. So yeah, that's the one I got. Yeah, because like I said, that one Wednesday that I did work, when I came in,
didn't put
Louis
the
had
grip
just
tape on the
finished
thing, did
doing the deep clean and stuff, and it was like, I was here cleaning up, helping them out on there. And, 12:30, we opened up the room.
you can't shoot 8.
Yeah, no, that's different.
These the good ones.
Yeah, but the thing said it's closed every first Wednesday of the month. Yeah, whole day, that's what the message is. Yeah.
How much time we got?
Like another 10 minutes, if that.
but they shut down. I don't know. No idea. Yo, because I follow a lot of gun stuff on YouTube.
Me too.
It was my whole feed was lighting up because of that. They were talking hella shit. They're like, oh, we need to sue. They can't be. I was like, oh.
It's supposed to be a. Did they turn around? I did mine in September. I'm still waiting. So not next month in August, but I mean April, but
I mean, I've heard of people getting theirs like with the e-forms in 3 weeks.
that's what I said. I just seen somebody got theirs in 24 hours.
Yeah, I saw that one.
That's why they shut it down? Because it was getting too quick?
No, it's supposed to like fast track everything, but I don't know what's going on. But they shut it. Yo, it's the Biden administration. They don't want us to happen. They don't want us having done. And on top of that, they don't want us protecting ourselves. Like, y'all really have the audacity to say, "Oh no, the police will be here." Yeah, okay. I'm not gonna hold my breath and wait.
Pass me that box of mag tip right
Good, man. I like that 10 mil though. It's a little, definitely more pressure pushing.
It's only 40. It gets snappier than that.
Oh.
That's gonna be B-roll.
Put your new, what's the name up?
I'm right behind you, all right?
All right.
Just gonna take out these shells.
Take a step back.
Hold on. I got you.
Stanford Guns and Ammunition. Yeah. Yeah, they got a whole social media platform thing. So
Okay.
you can find them on Facebook, Instagram. Start typing in Stanford.
Stanford with an M.
Yeah, Stanford with an M. Nah. Gotta put Bridgeport. This should have popped out. That's weird. Maybe because I Googled them a lot.
If it's in Bridgeport, you can't find it.
Stratford.
Oh, it's Stratford. Okay, my bad. Yeah, for me it's an hour and some change. I'm a half hour from here.
I mean, it's worth it to check them out.
Hell yeah. I mean, half hour is $5 more than here. No, I think an hour is 25 over there. Yeah, I think the guy told me 25 for an hour. I was like, that's not bad.